Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pan pizza at home. I'm going to use paneer topping today. You can also replace paneer with mushrooms or any other veggies that you like. And the best portion of this pizza is I'm going to make this pizza without yeast. During this lockdown, I know few of you might find difficulties finding yeast at your place. So I'm going to use baking soda and baking powder to make this recipe, so which can be easily bought from any supermarkets. And also I'm going to use wheat flour, which is a healthier version. So you should definitely try this, and it's a very simple and yummy recipe. Come on, let's get started. To a large mixing bowl, I have added 3 cups of wheat flour. So I have used the 250 ml measuring cup and I have taken 3 cups in it. To this, I'm going to add salt as required, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So as we are not using yeast in this recipe, it is must that we have to add soda, that is the baking soda and the baking powder. So these are easily available in any supermarket, so you can check to buy. Mix it well, and now instead of water, we are going to use curd to mix all the ingredients well. So add curd little at a time and then mix it into a firm dough. It should be exactly like the chapati dough consistency. You might feel it sticky at the beginning, but that's okay. Transfer it to a flat surface or a working area, and we'll have to knead it well. We'll have to knead it at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Only if we knead it well, we'll get the base very soft. So please do not skip this step. So as you knead, you'll find that the dough comes together and you'll not feel sticky anymore. If you still feel it is very sticky, you can grease it with some oil. And now the dough is ready. When you press, it should bounce back. So it is the exact consistency. Now I'm going to keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes covered. And now after 15 minutes, I'm going to spread this on a pan. As we are doing pan pizza today, I'm using this baking pan. You can also use the regular round or any other shapes that you wish. So I'm going to spread it evenly. I have greased the pan using oil so that the base will not stick to the bottom. And now push a little at all the corners just to make it to look like a pocket, so that the toppings can hold well. And now using a fork, I'm going to pierce all over. This step is just to ensure that as we have added baking soda and powder, there are chances for this to rise like a bun or cake. So just to avoid that, we are going to pierce it using a fork. And now I'm going to spread pizza sauce. This is a store-bought one. You can also make it at home. If this is not available, you can also use schezwan chutney or schezwan sauce. So apply generous amount of sauce so that it would taste better. And along with this, I'm also going to add a tablespoon of tomato chilli sauce and spread it evenly. And now it's time to add all the toppings. You can add any toppings of your choice. Now I'm going to add garlic, finely chopped garlic, and if you like garlic, do not skip this because it gives a wonderful flavor to the recipe. You can add as much as possible. And now to this, I'm going to add chopped tomatoes. Two finely chopped onions, two green chillies finely chopped. You can also add capsicum, jalapenos, or whatever you feel like adding. And now I'm going to add chilli flakes. And now it's time to add paneer. Let's season the paneer a little so that it would not taste bland. To this, I'm adding a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as required. And also I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of schezwan powder. You can also replace this with chili powder or paprika powder. So I'm going to add this and mix the paneer well, and we can add it as it is. We need not marinate it. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. So now let's add the paneer to the pizza. So now I'm adding pizza seasoning, and if you do not have pizza seasoning at home, you can also replace this with mixed oregano or any other Italian herbs. And now the hero of this recipe, I'm going to add some grated mozzarella cheese. You can also use the mixed cheese like processed or any other cheese that you prefer. Mozzarella cheese would be gooey and it will give us the wonderful pizza feel. So add generous amount of cheese if you're giving it for kids. And last but not the least, I'm adding some chopped olives. You can also add the canned jalapenos if you like. I have also preheated the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now this pan pizza is now ready to go inside the oven. Let it bake for around 25 to 30 minutes. You can keep an eye on it after 20 minutes to check if it is ready. It took 25 minutes for my pizza to cook completely. It is well done. The cheese is completely melted and the base is also perfectly cooked. You can also check in between, that is after 20 minutes, if it is done. After it cools down, I'll slice and show it to you. Our yummy pan pizza is now ready. It's time to taste. Wow, it's so yummy. I can feel the flavors from the garlic and also the onions that we have added. The onions are still crunchy. The base is well cooked and the paneer is very soft. It's definitely a try-worthy recipe. Do try this at home. You will definitely not regret for trying this. Do try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.